It's the farm implement. And here's where depth perception comes in. Do I have it? Not quite, but I will. That's full rudder that direction. It's not turning. So we'll turn it this way. Come on, turn. It's turning the wrong way. Well, you know what? If it turns the wrong way, we'll just turn that way instead. There we go. Any way you can hook it. I don't know what I'm hooked onto. I'm hooked onto something. Getting on all that flotsam out there. Oh, I'm hooked over it. Hey, anything that works, right? That's right. No, I think a drive shaft came loose or something. Oh, worse than that, I busted a prop. Woo.
What prop?
Yeah, what prop? Okay.